Hello, once again, we're going to make perfectly roasted potatoes. And I've started by putting my pot on fire so that the water can boil. Here are my potatoes. I'm going to peel them right away. So my water is boiling. I'll add some salt. Just 1 teaspoon is enough. And then I'll add turmeric to give it some color. Then I'll go ahead and cut the potatoes into like halves. Yes, and then I'll let them boil for like 10 minutes. I'll cover the pot. I'll come check if they have become tender so that we proceed to the next step. It's a very simple recipe. This is a fried, let me say roasted potatoes, and they're very nice. The outcome will be awesome. Meanwhile, I'll prepare my dania because I'll need to use it. I'll get my sink strainer, and this is where I'm going to strain the already softened potatoes. They're not so tender, but they're just nicely cooked. So here we go, and I love how it has gotten that kind of color from the turmeric. It has given it a very nice color. I have coated it. I have coated the potatoes with flour, and I'm going to add my little salt and ginger, and also dania to before we do the frying. I added a little bit of masala. You can add black pepper for some taste, but because I have some kids who will be eating, I won't add. Also, something else you will need is some salt. Yes, please, you add according to your how you want it. So I have my pan ready with some oil on it, which I'm going to use for cooking. Okay, the essence of having adding the flour to have it crispy. I want to have my outcome as crispy. Okay, this is my style, but most people don't like it when they see those danias on top. So you can choose not to have them, and you can also choose to have some other herbs. It's not limited to having only what I have put. And also the spices. The spices, you can have as many spices as you want, but I didn't want it to be so spicy. Now they're ready, so I'm going to put my kitchen towel. Look at that. Don't they look crispy? They look crispy, and they are crispy. They're tasty. The aroma in the house is just amazing. I feel like, oh my goodness, they look nice and they're so nice. Try this out. The kids will love it. The whole family will love it. And I'm sure you're going to do this again and again. Please like, share, and give me that subscription because I need it. Thank you.